Fitness program in Sydney. A fitness program may be one of the best things you can do for your health. Physical activity can reduce your risk of chronic disease, improve your balance and coordination, help you lose weight, even improve your sleep habits and self-esteem. How to assess your fitness level. Assessing and recording baseline fitness scores can give you benchmarks against which to measure your progress. To assess your aerobic and muscular fitness, flexibility and body composition, consider recording. How to design your fitness program. It's easy to say that you'll exercise every day, but you'll need a plan. As you design your fitness program, keep the following points in mind. Consider your fitness goals, create a balanced routine, go at your own pace, build activity into your daily routine. How to begin your fitness program. To begin your fitness program, keep the following tips in mind, such as, when your stamina improves, gradually increase the amount of time you exercise. Break things up if you have to. Maybe your workout routine includes various activities, but spends an evening ballroom dancing or any other. If you feel pain, shortness of breath, and take a break. If you're not feeling good, give yourself permission to take a day or two off.